Isang pinagpalang araw sa inyong lahat. Tayo po'y magninilay sa salita ng Diyos, ang pinagmumulan ng awa at tawa ng ating buhay, ang salitawa. Today we are celebrating the feast of Saint Lawrence, Deacon and Martyr. Siya po ay deacon during the reign of Pope Sixtus II and during the persecution of the cruel Roman Emperor Valerian. Pope Sixtus II was apprehended and beheaded. And so, the Roman authorities tried to confiscate the treasures of the church. St. Lawrence was the caretaker, the custodian of the treasury of the church. And so he was given 3 days to prepare to gather all the treasures of the church and submit them, give them to the Roman authorities. So what Lawrence did was he sold all the properties of the church and gave the money to the poor. After 3 days, he brought with him these poor and sick people, and he said to the prefect of the Roman power that these are the treasures of the church. So the prefect was, and the soldiers were really angry at him, and so they wanted to kill him. They got him at once, seized him, and they tortured him. And according to the story, Saint Lawrence was grilled alive. And despite of the excruciating pain that he experienced, according to the story, he even made a humorous comment and said, "Sir, turn me over now, because the other side is already cooked." Mga kapatid, ito po yung sinabi ng isang Christian writer ng pangalan ay Tertullian. "For the blood of martyrs is a seed for Christianity. And this image of the seed is used by Jesus in our gospel today when he said, 'Unless the grain of wheat falls to the earth and dies, it remains alone. But if it dies, it produces much fruit.'" And so, for a seed to bear much fruit, it needs to be buried and die. And this is exactly the life of Saint Lawrence. He died so that the faith which Jesus showed us, the faith that we have received from the Lord, will bear much fruit in the death of a martyr. Kaya nga po, si San Lorenzo ay isang ehemplo sa atin ng pagsasakripisyo para sa ikakabuti ng iba. Kapag po nagsasakripisyo tayo, maaari yung bunga ay hindi para sa atin. Kadalasan yung pagsasakripisyong ginagawa natin ay para sa ikakabuti ng iba. Gaya ng isang magulang na titiisin lahat ng puyat at pagod, mabigyan lamang ng mabuting kinabukasan at buhay ang kanilang mga anak. Ganun din po sa ating pananampalataya, at ito yung ipinakita ni St. Lawrence sa atin, na tayo rin sana ay matutong magsakripisyo para sa ikakabuti ng iba. Matuto tayong mamatay sa sarili natin para magbigay ng buhay sa iba. Kung nagustuhan mo ang video na ito, huwag kalimutang mag-like, i-share at mag-subscribe sa Salitawa Facebook page and YouTube channel. Muli isang pinagpalang araw sa inyong lahat.